A tiny duckling got stuck on a frozen pond. The ice was too cold and too slippery for her to move. But then a brave golden retriever saw her shivering in the middle of the ice. Without hesitation, he stepped onto the frozen pond even as his paws slipped and frost covered his fur. Gently, he picked her up in his mouth and carried her back to shore, placing her safely beside him. The duckling snuggled into his fur to warm up. Then the owner wrapped her in a warm towel while the dog watched carefully. Together, they watched the sunrise, cuddled up in the warmth, both safe at last.